Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to build a game in Roblox Studio. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to build a game in Roblox Studio, you will need a Roblox account and the Roblox Studio application, which is completely free. So starting with a template like a base plate is recommended for beginners, and you can simply add parts, create scripts and test your game before publishing it to Roblox platform. So simply install the Roblox Studio and select a template. After this, familiarize yourself with the interface as well. Now, simply build your game and then simply add scripts for interactivity. After this, you can simply test your game and publish your game. To publish any of your game, when you're satisfied, you can simply go to File and hit on Publish to Roblox As. Fill in the game's details such as its name, description and genre, and then in the game setting, navigate to the Permission tab to set your game to public so anyone on Roblox can play it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.